Turn the Christmas lights on.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, go check and see.
Present!
Did he eat his cookies?
Yes, he did!
Oh my gosh.
Daddy, see that?
And did he drink his milk?
Yes.
And I think the reindeer, they were eating their carrots.
Somebody move faster. Just open
Oh
them.
my gosh, who are those for?
Let's open.
Hold on. Wait for Papa.
Papa.
That's a lot, babe. Here, you want me to give you one? That one's for Papa. This one's for Scarlett.
Yay! It's your room.
Look at that wrapping paper has news on it.
Whoa!
What is it?
Oh my God! Look!
So you can help Papa clean.
It's so cool!
You can dust and sweep and mop just like Papa does.
Wow, let me see. That is so neat. Look at
Let's open this
Wait, wait, wait.
Look at you can sweep, you can mop with Papa now.
one. Let's open
Why don't you open? Okay, open that one.
Oh my God!
Look, you can make Minnie Mouse waffles and pancakes.
Wow!
It's so cool! Look, Papa!
What? You know who got that for you? Aunt Judy.
Papa, this is for you.
It's for me?
Open
You
it.
want Papa to open it?
Yes!
You want Papa to open it? Oh my goodness! Help me, help me! What is in there? Shoes! Thanks, Mama.
Let's open this big plastic lug.
Open it. And then-
Help me! Help me! Help me!
Okay.
Oh.
Jesus
Hold on.
Christ.
What? It's so cool. You can make me instead of ketchup.
You love it? Oh my gosh, Scarlett.
It's so cool. It can,
Look, baby. Wow. Look at that kitchen.
I know.
More presents?
Do you love your kitchen? Oh, Papa. What is it?
Oh, it's,
Come over here with you. Let me see. Come here. Show Papa. Come over here.
it's
Come over here.
cookies.
Come here.
Socks. Whoa.
Okay, baby. You can make
It's
pancakes.
pancake set. You can make
pancakes for
pancakes.
Mom and Papa.
Let's open this one.
Okay.
see one inside.
Come over, open it right here, honey. Open it right here.
So many questions today. What?
Santa came, huh?
You must have been a good girl.
Mhm.
Can you believe he came to our house?
Oh my gosh! Look, Papa Mama!
Wow!
Wow, so you can do so much cooking now, just like
You gonna do some
Papa.
cooking with Papa?
Wow!
What else? Go look in
Is there any more?
the fridge of your kitchen.
Wonder if there's any presents anywhere.
What about in the fridge? Look in the fridge of the present. That's for presents. Open the doors.
Yep.
Yep.
Mama!
I think there's 2 more.
Let's open it.
Okay.
Look.
More plates to cook with.
Wow, a tea set too?
Let's open this one.
Wait, where's her? Oh, I think it's this one's first.
Okay, here we go.
Wait, where's the hot sauce set? I left it.
What'd you get, babe?
Look.
Wow, your own
That's weird.
utensils, baby.
Look.
Perfect size for you. Let's see them. Let me see them.
Let me check upstairs.
These are cool.
Let's open it.
Wait.
There's one more.
Oh.
What?
So much stuff for your new kitchen, huh? You need lots of cooking now. Oh.
Oh, is that a spice rack
Look.
with
Turn
spices?
it around.
Tin.
It's got hot
It's got
sauce,
spices.
salt and pepper,
And mustard.
and ketchup. So you can do lots of cooking.
Let's open this one,
Okay, those are Papa's. You can help him.
okay? Okay.
You got some cool.
Hey, wait. Why don't you give Papa his stocking first? Have Papa open his... Scarlett, you gotta open his stocking behind you, babe. Give this. That's Papa's. Here's yours, look. Open it. What did he put in there? More presents?
Yeah, they did.
Open it.
Okay.
Sounds like snacks to me. Chips!
Chips.
Put them in your kitchen. Put some chips in the kitchen. There you go.
Anything
Cover
else?
the red.
Anything else in your stocking?
Are you okay, Mama?
Yeah.
Wow, Santa knows you like Play-Doh, huh? There. Oh!
Okay, open Papa's stockings.
That's what?
Wow, is Papa a good boy?
Are you a good boy, Papa?
Yeah.
I'm a girl.
Scarlett gets to open everyone's presents.
I'm not. Oh my goodness.
Open it up.
Whoa. Ghostbusters.
3D, because Mama wants to see that one.
You love you?
Thanks, Mama.
Oh, I
Is this from Papa?
Yeah. Do you like it, Papa? Papa, do you like it?
Did you ever end up watching it?
There's something in it.
There's something in it.
I need help. But
Here, open this one.
Yeah, that one's easy.
I need to help you, Papa.
Yeah.
A pea stick. Oh. More of these.
More snacks.
Scarlett, you're throwing them on the ground, baby.
I know.
Here's Scarlett.
Here, there's another one. This got lots of little ones.
It's so sticky.
Here. Do you want me to start
Thank
it
you.
for you, or you got it?
I think I got it.
You think you got it?
This is the.
These ones are a little easier to keep with.
Here, let me help this one.
I did it.
Here, use this one.
Mom, I can use it.
Candy cane. Mama.
It's my cigarette, Papa.
What's that?
Oh my god.
What do you got there? Some gum? Looks like gum. Shake it up. Put it on the kitchen. There you go. Do you like your new kitchen, Scarlett? Watch this. There's an ice maker. Watch. Watch.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Watch.
So funny.
Love it.
And then you put them back in here, baby.
Okay, turn around so Papa can see his presents. No, look at Papa.
Wow! It's not what I think it is it? It's freaking Mama!
Sitting with Papa.
Mama!
Maybe there's more up there.
There's one more, sweetheart. Pop's going shopping on Amazon. Papa, going shopping on Amazon. Yeah.
Got it?
Here, let me help you with the top one. Oh, you got it. Mmm, crispy M&M's, Papa's favorite.
Okay.
Show Papa how you eat the M&M's, Scarlett.
Turn around. These are Papa's, so you gotta show them when he's sitting.
Rip it open.
It's Mickey! It's a Mickey set!
What about this one?
What about that one?
Sun Record Company. Lovely. Thanks, Mama.
It's almost Christmas!
Yeah.
Well, well, well.
Aw.
Just what I was looking for.
Look! There's so
Papa can cook.
Wow. This one? Give it to Papa.
Too spooky.
You like that color?
Mm-hmm.
Give it to Papa. But these are Papa's presents. He's gotta be able to see them. Careful. Here. Draw. Okay, now we're gonna to Papa to open.
More shoes!
Wait, Scarlett, there's another present. Show Papa his shoes.
Wow. Shoes for my stinky feet, Mama?
Ew!
Who's got stinky feet?
There's another present in here, Scarlett.
Yes.
Stinky feet? What? More Amazon? Let's go. It's Papa's special toy.
Hey.
Good throw. Thanks, Mama. Just what I wanted.
Hey. I like that color 'cause it's not like super dark as your others. The other ones are bad. Turner? You don't have to do anything. I like it. Okay. Okay, let Papa open them this way. Okay, wait.
Can I open one?
Okay, can Papa open one? You open this one.
Mama! Wow. Thanks,
Is that the right
Mama.
one? It's in Blu-ray, it just came out.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
Mama went a little crazy for Bubba.
They're the same shoe, but one's black and one's brown. I like them, and you need new ones, and they're wide. You can exchange them if you don't want.
Oh my
Okay, let's not make a mess with these, because Papa might need to take them back. Okay, no, there's nothing else in there, babe, that's it. These
God. I
ones
want
are,
a cup. I want a cup now.
the brown ones are wide, the black didn't come in a wide,
Okay.
only the brown did. Okay. It's the same size.
No, I mean, why?
I don't know why. But you can exchange.
Okay.
They all have this right there is the receipt. Do you like the casual shoes?
I like the Converse.
You don't like the Adidas? You need new ones though, like your brown
He's
ones.
stuck up too much.
Let me get
You can
that.
exchange, those are from Foot Locker.
Stick 'em back. I only need one pair of shoes like
Yeah,
that.
but you always wear your.
Hey, Merry Christmas. You want to play with your toys? Let me help.
Let's clean this up first.
Okay.
Where's the box? Okay. Can you give me that blue box, please?
Yep.
Thank you. Can I have that?
Where's Papa? Where's their bread?
Where's what?
You
Okay.
have
Let's get a garbage bag so we can clean it.
That's cut.
What?
I want a cut.
Okay, we gotta get everything cleaned up first.
I'm gonna help
We
you.
gotta get a garbage bag.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
But I like presents to open there.
Did you have a good Christmas? Did Santa bring you lots of nice presents? Why?
Don't open my toys.
Okay, let me clean this stuff up and then I'll open your toys for you, okay?
No, Papa said open my toys.
Okay. Hang on, let's go get a bag to put all of our trash in.
Papa? Papa? Papa?
Mama!
Open these up.
Mama!
Open these up.
Okay,
Mama's got a present.
Open these. Open these. Open these.
let's
I I will.
Open them. Basically.
Opening, 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 opening.
Where's my stocking?
I don't know, Mama. That's what he's going.
What are we gonna do with your old kitchen? You gonna give it to charity? Here's your pots and pans. Go put them in your kitchen.
Do you want to see?
Is that the right Star Wars food?
Yeah, thank you. Look, you got a little pot holder.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Look at it. Put your hand in there, little baby. Oh, wrong hand.
I love cooking.
Do you like it? Here, wanna open this one? Come here.
I gotta grab the cup.
Look, Scarlett. Right here.
Well, David, I'll make it.
Oh, that's funny.
There's nothing in it. It's pretend.
It's pretend ketchup. Did you get scared?
How do you do that?
Look at it.
Mustard.
It's your spices. Look at it. Spices.
Open this one. Open this one.
Okay, you wanna make pancakes? Look at. That's the oven.
Bless you.
Merry Christmas, Scarlett. Whoa. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.